ICO token, Podfast.
Let's start with this.
Podfast is a media platform focused on summarizing popular podcasts and YouTube videos. Podfast is an AI-powered media service that will unlock your full learning potential by condensing podcasts into short summaries. It will include an AI-powered browser extension that instantly converts online videos into concise overviews to maximize your time.
Podfast is a community-focused Web3 company powered by the Fast Utility Token, which unlocks access to exclusive features and rewards.
Podfast will leverage AI and blockchain infrastructure to create short summaries of popular long-form podcasts and YouTube videos, letting people get the important details from the content without spending hours listening to the entire programs. These summaries will be created as high-quality audio, video, and text-based content that is ready to instantly be shared across all major social media platforms and streaming services by podcast hosts as well as their guests and listeners.
Guys getting along or
This will make it easy for podcast communities and creators to find and connect with each other.
Token info, ticker, fast, type, utility token. Token price in USD. 1 fast equals $0.0195. Details. ICO Trust Swap Launchpad. March 3rd, 2023. March 3rd. 2023. Token supply. 100 million fast.
Hard cap, $320,000. Podfast roadmap.
Q2 2023. Delivery of first audio and video summaries and micro content on all platforms. Summary blogs go live. This is the end of this video. You can find out more details on Podfast website. And do kindly subscribe to my channel for more upcoming and ongoing ICO tokens.